Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and I'm back with another emergency card kit for you. And this one, I'm so excited about it. I'm collaborating with my friend Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. We both release free printables every month. It helps make card making more affordable and more accessible for everyone, and it brings you tons of inspiration all month long. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah Liz, and I release emergency card kits. They are free printable sentiments, card sketches, often with a fun fold option, digital paper, and ephemera, and I love making these kits. And I have a little sneak peek to share with you today. I made custom sentiments to go along with our Sheetload. Normally, I release circles and rectangles in interchangeable sizes, but we have a 2¼ inch circle that I'll share with you today. And then linked in the description box below is a link over to my website where you can grab your freebie printable sentiments. We'll take a look here in just a minute, but I'll also link over to Alicia's channel so you can grab this month's Sheetload of cards. Both of them are completely free. Then I'll give you a little sneak peek of the cards that I'm going to make in tomorrow's video. I'll give you a full process tutorial for those. And then be sure to come back next Friday so you can see the big kit. This thing is over 50 pages and a lot of it is free. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dig in. So in this month's kit, the first 7 pages are sentiments that are 2¼ inches. That's bigger than our normal sentiment size because it's designed to fit perfectly on the Sheetload of Cards sketch. You can get this sketch and all the measurements over on Call Me Crafty Al's channel. I'll link specifically to the video that you need for that. These 7 pages are releasing today. So again, the link you need is in the description box below. There is a printed circle on this first page that's a little bigger than 2¼ and that's to help me get my punch or my die centered. So if I wiggle this until I can't see it anymore, it actually will cut just inside of that printed circle. On this first page, we have grateful for everything you do. You made my day. You are such a blessing. Thanks for being you. In honor of your kindness, I humbly offer you this folded piece of paper. Thank you. Research shows that late thank you cards contain 80% more gratitude. So on page 1, we have the printed circle, and then on page 2, I have removed that printed circle in case you want to use a different shape or a different size altogether. On page 3, I have added a little printed background, an ombre that goes from purple to blue. And again, the circle's a little bigger than you need. So even if you're off a little bit, you won't have little white edges around the outside. Then, in case you're making a bulk set of thank you cards, or perhaps a Sheetload of thank you cards, this page is just thank you, repeated, and we have 9 of them. So we have it with the printed circle, with our blue and purple background, and then without our printed circle. Then we have my favorite page of the 2¼ inch circles. These are a lot of the same sentiments, but we've added some ephemera pieces right to the middle. So it's a really quick one-stop shop for decorating your card. These ephemera pieces, of course, are inspired by Crafty Al. She loves a rainbow. I had to do rainbows, even though I understand, friends, that this is a thanks and gratitude kit in November. There are turkeys coming. Not today. I don't even think they're coming Friday, but I have turkeys for you and they are absolutely ridiculous. Be sure to stay tuned. As promised, I have a little sneak peek of the cards we'll make in tomorrow's tutorial. So this first one mostly follows this sketch, though I will say I made a little boo-boo when I was cutting things, and I'll walk you through the process of adjusting and recutting to make sure everything fit on here. Then in the next one, we're going to step it up. We're going to add little matte layers to our strips. I've got some great texture and dimension on this card with embossing folders and panel dies. So I love taking a simple sketch, making it a little more stepped up, and then making it a little simpler. On this one, I'm just using pattern paper that will come out in Friday's kit. The purple paper and the pink paper here also in Friday's kit. And then I've used one of our sentiments that has both our sentiment and our ephemera to really step this up. I love how it coordinates with the paper. It feels like everything goes together. Remember to grab the free 2¼ inch sentiments in the description box below to link you over to my website. I'm also linking to Call Me Crafty Al's video so you can grab the sheetload of cards for this month, and hopefully join us again tomorrow for more inspiration. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.